Hey Belle, thanks for tuning in. Hope that you are having a beautiful day. If you're new to my channel, hi, I am Melissa Danielle. We do fashion, hair, sometimes makeup, and weight loss here on the channel. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe, click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I put up a new video. And without further delay, let's get right into today's video. So guys, the brand Toyotress sent me some more hair to review for you guys. And we're going to be doing it. Guys, we're going to be styling this using the hair that they sent. This is picked out. I have 4C hair. I just got done putting some water on it and picking it out. But normally it's like tight to my head. So it's a little bit wild right now, but we're going to fix that. So guys, let me show you guys the hair that I got and we'll get right into the tutorial. So like I said, the brand is Toyotress. I think I'm saying that right. I'm saying that right. The brand is Toyotress. And they sent me their Marley hair. So let me go make sure I got the right information here. So this is their Marley hair for crochet braids. It's 12 inches and I have 6-pack. The color is 1B, it's like a natural black. It says Afro Kinky Curly Marley Twist braiding hair. So it's just Marley hair pretty much. And they sent me 6 packs of 12 inches. Everything is linked down below with the discount code. So go check out down below in the description bar to purchase this hair. So it comes like this, rolled up. They included some little decorations in there too. That's cute, little hair barrettes. So they come rolled like that and you get 6 packs of them. So let's see what it looks like. This is longer than I thought it was gonna be. Ooh, that's good. So this is what the texture looks like. It's very realistic to African American hair that's been like stretched. So this is what it looks like. Nice and thick. You get a good amount on these bundles. Like I said, it's crochet hair, but I'm going to be using it sort of like weave hair, like braiding hair almost. Me cutting this off and putting it on a hair binder. So I'm just going to cut this gold piece off. Hopefully it's not already knotted braiding crochet hair. No, it's not. Okay, good. So it's loose crochet hair, you guys can see. I'm going to be putting this on a binder. So just pulling it through the binder, that's it. And this is just going to be for our ponytails. Our pony. Okay, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to do that to 2 different bundles. So what I'm going to do first is start getting my hair, because I don't want it to get too dry, because otherwise it's going to kink back up again. So I need to get this parted. While I'm doing this, let me talk to you guys. So December, was it last year? I think it was last year, last Christmas. I think I'll check and see. I'll post a picture here. But I believe it was December of last year that I cut my hair off, like completely cut it off. I had been relaxing my hair and it was so damaged. The breakage was so real, you guys. Because every time I would comb through my hair, I would get clumps of hair. I never had to deal with that kind of breakage before, and it was really scary. If you're new to my channel, if you're new, if you're already a subscriber, you already know I have really thin hair up here, so don't get freaked out. It's like almost bald up here. So let me just put it out there. My hair was relaxed and it was falling out, so I decided to go ahead and cut it off. This was the second time that I did a big chop. Second time. Both times were in December, weirdly enough. But the second time big chop. The other day, you guys. And guys, if the part is not straight in the back, charge it to my heart. I can't see back there. But the other day I was this close, guys. I mean like this close to relaxing my hair again. I'm not even joking. I'm not lying. I'm not kidding you. It was taking everything in me not to go to Target and go buy me a box relaxer. And I just, it's a lot of work dealing with my hair. It is a lot of work. I'm going to be using the Kiss Edge Fixer Maximum Hold. This is some edge control from Kiss. So if you want to get it, just put Kiss Edge Control. I'll try to link it down below for you guys as well. They sell it on Amazon and sell it on Target. But I was so close to relaxing my hair. I hate to say it because people get so mad when you say this, but I don't like my hair. I don't like the texture of it. I don't like how kinky it is, how difficult it is to deal with it. People are like, oh, you're self-hating, you're self-hating. No, I'm not. I love myself. I love being a black woman. I just don't like my hair texture because it's so difficult to deal with. I'm trying to learn how to cope with it, trying to learn how to style it and define my curls and all that good stuff. But I have like the coarsest of coarse hair. So like right now, like I said, you're seeing it stretch, but normally it's like compressed, tight, very kinky, very difficult to deal with. So sometimes I just feel like I can't do this anymore. I can't do it. I want to relax my hair. But I remember how my hair was falling out. I wasn't relaxing my hair as much as I could have been, you know, and it was still falling out. So I was like, I said, Melissa, I know you're going through it right now, but baby girl, you've come so far. Like, my hair hasn't been this long or this thick in I don't know how long. And like I said, it's shrunken right now. So, but you can see it's still pretty grown out. But this is normally what happens. Like, my hair will get right here and stop growing. I want my hair to grow. I want to get to a point where I have like a big old giant afro. I don't know if we're going to get there, but I want to try. Anyways, let me focus on this real quick because otherwise I'm going to be talking to you guys for like 45 minutes. I'm going to be putting this on and then I'm putting this on top. So this is the Gorilla Snot. I feel like these two together really help slick my hair down. I'm going to do 2 ponytails, like not on top, but like off to the side almost. So let me focus on that real quick. I really pray my part is looking decent in the back. Because girl, I don't know, baby. I don't know, baby.
Never move too far past the part where you say you're too far gone. Yeah, a minute's gone by, but it feels like a lifetime.
See how sleek it gets my hair? I love that. I love that for me. I love it for me. So I take the binder and put it on like this. So that way the Marley hair is on top.
For you, but it's deeper. It's deeper.
Shoot, that's cute like that. So all I'm doing is putting it like a bun. Then I'm gonna take the rest of the hair and like twist it. And then like wrap it around the base. I'm gonna try to braid this into my edges here. I'm just separating my hair into half, like so splitting it in half and then adding it to the Marley hair, like just piece by piece. So one half is over here, one half on the other side of the Marley hair. So I'm twisting them together. I'm twisting both sides so that my hair is joining the Marley hair, and then we're gonna start braiding. Just doing your regular plait.
You got me tripping. You got me feeling things we never had. You seek forgiveness. I seek what you never said. What you never said. Never move too far past the part where you say you're too far gone. Yeah, a minute's gone by, but it feels like a lifetime. Yeah, I'm chasing myself. I'm playing with my health, and it's cold as hell. Hurry up, I'll find it, I'm sinking. I'm falling.
You guys know I can't go without my baby hairs, so you can definitely not do baby hairs if you don't want to, but sis has to. But I don't know if I'm ever gonna stop wearing baby hair. I'll be 80 years old rocking some baby hair and slaying it, all gray, and dare somebody to say something, you know? To this on top of that.
One step doesn't fix it. Oh mama, don't twist it. No.
See, I'm putting a scarf on my edges, you guys, to dry them down. Some little barrettes in my hair. I'm putting these little clampy ones on the bottom. Try to hide this hair. I like that. I'm just gonna pinch it closed. I'm trying to do this as symmetrically as possible, but that's sort of hard. It's like your eyebrows, you know, they're always sisters but never twins. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Mael Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. Put that down the center so we can keep that luxurious shine. I don't know what the back of this looks like, you guys. I gotta wait till I go look in the mirror in the bathroom. Hopefully it's looking okay. If not, don't judge me. I'm gonna fix it later. I just flew some of that oil out. Oh, I just got some on my pants. Melissa. Baby girl, you know better. Oh, even better. This is so cute. I just love how this Marley hair blends in with my hair, like, baby. Well, now it's like really straight, but you know. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. I'm happy.
Yeah. A minute's gone by, but feels like a lifetime.
Okay, let me show you guys the back. I'm scared. Don't judge me, y'all. Don't come for me in the comments. Don't do that to me, please. So this is the completed look using the Toyotress Marley Crochet hair. Like I said, it's crochet hair, but it has multiple uses. So you ain't gotta crochet if you don't want to. You can always do your buns, like using your natural hair, and then crochet the hair into the bun if you want to, but as you can see, you don't have to. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So pretty. Texture is so great. It definitely mimics African American hair. And I think it's versatile and cute. So as always, the hair will be linked down below in the description bar. If you have any questions I did not answer, make sure to leave me a comment down below. Or if you just want to say hi, leave a comment. And of course, thumbs up this video. Leave a like because it helps the channel out so much. I love you girls so much. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Bye.